Here at the LSU AgCenter's Botanic Garden, we're celebrating America's 250th anniversary with a red, white, and blue color scheme for our bedding plants for the warm season. So to achieve that, I find that some of your best blue colors are with salvias. This is also a good thing because salvias tend to be taller species of plants and they're great for the background of the bed. So one of my favorites is blue suede shoes, which was named as a Louisiana super plant. We're also using indigo spires for something a little taller, or you might find a salvia out there called big blue. For shades of red this year, we're using Lucky Star dark red pentas, and this particular variety of pentas is shorter, so we're using it on the front of the bed. We've also ordered white in that same variety because it's a nice, clean, bright white. Other plants that are providing white for this year are lantana. Now we're using a mid-sized lantana such as bandana white, which is also a Louisiana super plant, and a couple of other varieties. Now if you're gardening in shady areas, sometimes it's hard to get a little bit more color in there, but a tried and true variety are the Beacon Impatiens. This is a Louisiana super plant. You can find those in bright red and a nice clear white. And then you can use Terrenia, such as this one, to get those blue hues in. And it doesn't always have to be color with flowers. For example, if you have a sunny location, try Redhead Coleus for a bright red pop. A few other plants, if you want to try some different shades of blue that you might consider for your garden. How about blue plumbago? It stays a little bit shorter and it's a nice sky blue. Same goes for ageratum. It has a lighter blue color. So you have a great palette out there to celebrate America's 250th anniversary with your garden. For Get It Growing, I'm Jason Stagg with the LSU AgCenter.